Hey, what up guys, this is Ryan with the PC Battlestations, and today we're going to talk about the lighting in my setup. And I chose the Philips Hue just because I think they're the best developed smart lighting platform out there right now. They got a great group of products. Not only do they have the light strips and the bulbs that I'm using, but they also have a lot of other products that you can sync with your setup too. They work with all the major voice assistants like Siri, Cortana, Alexa, Google Assistant. They also integrate with Apple HomeKit, Google Nest, Logitech Harmony, and Samsung SmartThings. And they are a little more expensive than most other products out there, but I think you get what you pay for. They have their own bridge, which they connect to, versus you just connect to your own Wi-Fi. And in the past, I've found that when a product, is connecting to my Wi-Fi, sometimes they tend to kind of drop in and out, a little more unreliable. And so far, the Philips Hue have been solid. One of the great features that I love about the Philips Hue is the gaming mode that it has, and you can sync whatever's on the monitor or the audio that's coming out. You can sync with the lights. You set up in a little entertainment area. The lights are placed where they're actually located in your room, and then you turn this gaming mode on and it really gets you immersed in the game. So everything that's happening on the screen or the audio, the lights are actually changing. They also have a music mode too. I think a lot of other lights have music modes where it can actually dance to the actual music. So in this video I'm going to install the light strips and then the bulbs, which is pretty easy. Then I'll show you the gaming mode, music mode, and a couple other features. Let's get started. We got the white and color bulb starter kit. Includes a hub and 4 light bulbs. I ended up getting a couple other light bulbs because I needed more than 4. Here's the white and color light strip plus, which is 80 inches long. I also needed a little bit longer, so I got this extension kit, which adds an additional 40 inches to it. Anytime you mount something with a two-sided tape, you're going to want to go ahead and wipe it down and dry it off to ensure that that tape really adheres to the surface. And right now what I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and place the light strips and see how far or where I want to mount the beginning of it on the desk there, because when you go around a corner, you don't want to have a LED light right in the corner part or else it's going to break. So you're going to want to make sure that that corner has the light strip kind of like right in between those LEDs there. Once you go ahead and get everything installed and you connected all your lights to the Hue app and everything's syncing, connect to the bridge, you can go ahead and turn it on, and then you can go ahead and create a room. Here's my office where I can dim the whole thing all at once, all the lights. It's all dimmable. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and go into your room and you can dim each light individually. You can also change the scenes. There's a lot of pre-installed scenes that you go ahead and just change, and all the different lights are different colors to create this scene. You can also create your own scene. I created this pink and blue, purple and red, teal and purple, and you can individually set each light to a specific color, which is kind of cool. So really good granular controls here. You can set each light to a specific color by doing this, using the color wheel, or you can also group different objects. like my overhead light, I have 3 of them in there, so I can group all of those into one group, or maybe my whole desk. You know, it's really cool. A lot of things you can do in here. Using the Hue Sync app on the PC, you can change your scenes, you can change it to game mode, and you can also do the music mode, which I was talking about earlier, and you can also do the video mode, and you can also use audio for effect. And so let's go ahead and show you the game mode. Let's get that light sync started, and I'll show you what it looks like in game. Not using headphones just because I want to show you guys what I'm actually hearing. Love that extra element that it brings to the game. Let's go ahead and check out the music mode now. Are you ready for the greatest song ever produced? Royalty free, or else YouTube will flag me for copyright. So, are you ready for your ears to melt from this goodness? Just watch. Stop, stop, stop. Thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully you learned a little something about Philips Hue and some of the cool features it has and why I actually chose Philips Hue. And it truly means a lot to me that you're watching, and I'm getting a lot of good feedback in the community, so thank you for everything that you guys are doing. If you want some more, take a look at the next episode, and we will see you guys in the next one. Take care.